Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create pie chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many chart. We select the pie chart option. Then find the pie chart. Here this pie and we select it. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a pie chart. Now we want to change the data of chart. Click the data sheet and change the data. And rename the first quarter or second quarter or another quarter. Now we can see here we rename the data and change the data of these cells. Otherwise you can change the chart layout or style. Click the chart, then go to the design menu, then click chart style drop down menu, then choose another style. Then click the change color and change the chart color. Select the quick layout and change the layout of this chart very easily. Now we can see here we create a pie chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.